Welcome to the world of ASSA ABLOY. As the global leader in access solutions, we offer opening solutions, trusted identities, entrance automation, and service for institutional and commercial customers, as well as for the residential market. Every day, we help people feel safe, secure, and experience a more open world. Since 1994, we have expanded successfully through organic growth and over 200 acquisitions. Today, we are present in over 70 countries. ASSA ABLOY is a large and diverse group, but we also have a lot in common. We share ambitions, and we let empowerment, innovation, and integrity guide our work. Welcome to the world of ASSA ABLOY.